Insurance Commission head Emmanuel Doc has stressed the need to have a regional insurance roadmap to sustain the resiliency of the economies and protection of citizens in Asia and the Pacific. Doc made the statement in his speech during the opening of a two-day meeting on disaster risk finance APEC roadmap for resilient economies being held at the SMX Convention Center in Bacolod City. Doc said governments must take a proactive posture on disasters instead of being reactive. Jade Miguel was there.
APEC Disaster Risk Finance meeting has started today here in Bacolod City. The meeting focuses on APEC's roadmap to build and maintain resilient economies amid calamities and natural disasters in the region. According to Philippines Insurance Commission DOOC, microinsurance plays a big role in ensuring the adaptability not only of the economy but also that of communities and individuals.
Disaster prevention and mitigation and financial inclusion, where microinsurance is the principal tool in the insurance world. Both the public and private sectors and governments and business alike in the Asia-Pacific region, particularly small and developing countries and entities, are vulnerable to the onslaught of natural disasters. No country and business are spared from their increasing intensity and growing frequency, although they may be impacted in varying degrees depending on their preparation and readiness. Thus, we are faced with a formidable task as we embark on these two trends: how to make our communities and businesses more resilient and sustainable against the risk brought by calamities.
Microinsurance is the protection being provided to individuals belonging to low and middle income category in exchange of their payment of a premium equivalent to the cost of possible risks they might encounter in the future. Based on the data by Asian Development Bank or ADB, 9 out of 10 people who died from catastrophes come from low to middle income families. DOOC said that microinsurance is a tool that will to reach financial inclusion and financial security of every individual and community regardless of their economic status. Based on a study which determined the landscape of microinsurance in Asia and Oceania, it has been found out that the Philippines ranked number 1 in the region with regard to the market penetration of microinsurance. He said that establishing a disaster risk roadmap will serve as a challenge for them in APEC, as this will determine the future of decision-making and disaster risk reduction and management of every country in the region. Meanwhile, Arup Chattery, the financial sector specialist of ADB, further said that microinsurance has been very effective in our country.
We must especially help the poorest and the most vulnerable people, and microinsurance is an innovative tool. Today, for managing disasters through microinsurance, Philippines offers great lessons, and as Commissioner Duke has just mentioned in his welcome remarks, microinsurance works in the Philippines.
Aside from its ability to fortify communities, the increase in insurance penetration also improves the country's gross domestic product and reduces its tax burden. Reporting from Bacolod City, this is Jade Miguel reporting for the People's Television.